everyone and welcome back. This is Priyadarshini here, design team member for W Craft. And today I have a video where I will be showing how I made see-through window cards, and I have three cards to show using this technique. So let's get started. I will be using our newly launched stamp sets, that is Get Well Soon, Surprise Box and Krishna. So let's get started with the first card. I have a piece of white cardstock and I'm using peacock feather stencil for some stenciling. The inks I'm using here is aqua blue and turquoise, and I will be blending both the inks together here. Completely dry, I will be bringing in my lawn green ink and using a blending tool. I will be very mildly just adding the green ink to the background. I'm using a very light hand here, so there is a little touch of green color to the background. So here I'm using a circle die from Spellbinders, and I'm just going to place it where I want, and I will be also bringing in my note card. This is a top fold note card, and I'm placing the die right in the middle, and I will be die cutting it to both the layers. I'm saving that die cut piece for later. And now to make the window floating panel, I'm using a small piece of acetate here. So this acetate will hold my image together and it will make it look like it is floating. And then I'm just adding this Krishna image here, and I also have another stamped piece and I've fussy cut that, so when I open the card, the acetate piece would be actually hidden. It will be kind of sandwiched between both the Krishna images. I'm bringing back this other feather piece here, and I will place this feather on the inside of the card. What I did was I wanted to give it a little more color and some more texture, so I just used some alcohol markers and my color pencils and gave some shading over here. And on the inside I will be adding the sentiment from the stamp set, and my first card is ready. Off camera and added some embellishments like gemstones, and using a black marker I added a few dots to the feather part. I'm using gift box image. I'm bringing in a white piece of cardstock and I want to do some inking to the background. The colors I'm using here is lawn green, lavender violet, tangy orange and lemon yellow. So I'm just going to do this inking on both the sides. Here you can see I'm using the grid lines in my craft mat as a guide, and I'm just going to use my ink blending brushes and tools to just add ink over here. I'm bringing another white scrap cardstock here, so this was also going to help me in blending the inks, and I get a really crisp inking over here. image on this acetate sheet to make it look like it is floating. I'm flipping it over and I have this other stamped fussy cut piece which I will be adding on the inside. So when we open the card on the inside, the acetate sheet is not seen. Here I'm stamping this sentiment here, and then I went off camera and added some embellishments, and then using a black marker I also added some black lines. Card, I'm going to do some ink blending here, so I'm using a light pink, hot pink and raspberry, and I'm just going to blend all the three colors together. Using this parrot from Get Well Soon set, so I decided to go with a bird cage that I have, this die, and I want to do the die cut which is on the side. I didn't want to do it right in the middle, so I just placed it on the side, offset it, and I'm placing an acetate sheet here, and then I'm adding the inked panel to the white note card. Now it's time to add the cage, so I'm adding some white glue here. You can add any glue, and then I'm going to add the first die cut from the inked piece, and then on the back I'm adding this other white die cut from the note card. So here you can see how the cage is actually floating on one side of the card, and then I will just add the parrot here, and I'm flipping it over and I'm adding this other stamp piece, so when we open the card, it does not look messy on the inside. I'm using a sentiment from the stamp set, and I'm stamping it with jet black ink. Finished all the cards, so here is a look at all the three cards that I made, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give a like and leave a comment below, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys soon with another video.